I don't know your accent. Hit the button a long time ago. What the heck? Excuse me? Yeah, well, I'm smart enough to figure out that you're not going to tell me. You're not going to tell me. Hello, I'm here. I'm here. Sorry, I hit the button a long time ago. Why'd you hang up on me? Why'd you hang up on me? I'm trying to find out some information here, and everybody keeps hanging up on me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Really? You sound like a child. Do you know that? How old are you? 2 or 3? Well, thanks for the laugh today. I appreciate it. How many people you scammed today? IRS, can I help you? Okay, what's your first and last name, please? I can take care of it. What is your first and last name, please? I can take care of it. Okay, what is your phone number that you called from? What is the phone number that you called from? Okay, just give me a second to look up the information. Thank you. Just give me a second to look up the information. Thank you. This is better. Let's go. They're doing him. Yeah, he's up. Okay, so are you there? Are you aware of why the IRS called you today? Are you aware of why the IRS called you today? Okay, so I'm going to tell you about it. Okay? The IRS has filed a warrant against your name. The IRS has filed a warrant against your name. You have several charges that are against you. Hello? Your first charge is theft by deception, impersonating an officer, impersonating an officer. Um, hello? Yeah, that was fun. Well, buddy. Yeah, I got a phone call and I was calling back. Thank.
Investigation Department of the IRS. How may I help you?
Why'd you hang up on me earlier? That's rude.
I'm sorry.
Why'd you hang up on me earlier? That was rude. Thank you for calling Apple. Can I help you? Thank you for calling tech support. May I help you? Hello, are you there? Tech support, can I help you? You have reached Microsoft technical support. May I help you? No, sir. You called me just a minute ago. You have an issue with your computer? Who? No, this is Microsoft technical support. My name is Kelly. He said, Excuse me? You have an issue with your computer, sir. We're getting signals that you have an issue with your computer. Fuck you. Stupid scammer. Y'all call him up. 323-380-3962.